Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Today we are going to start our new unit, that is Underwater Mission. Our new unit name is Underwater Mission. Okay. Today we are going to deep inside the sea. Okay. Tell me the name of the animal they lives inside the sea. Anybody know? Yes.
Fish, dolphin, octopus.
Okay, very good. Okay. So the name of the animal that lives inside the sea, that are fish, dolphins, starfish. There are many kinds of fish. They live in the water. Okay. Now tell me. Okay. Imagine you are in the water. Do you know how we can travel in the water? How we can travel in the water? Anybody know? Just like in road, we can travel by bus, auto, cycle, ship, bike. Under the water, how we can travel under the water? My question is that.
By submarine.
By submarine. Very good. So, in the submarine, we can travel under the water. Okay. Can you see what kinds of animal you see under the water? Yes. Tiger?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, the animals which have gills in their body, they can live in water and they are present in water.
Okay. So can you see in a submarine? You can see when you are traveling in the submarine. Yes, you can see when you travel in the submarine. You can see all the animals that are under the water. Okay? Okay. So tell me one more thing. The person who is driving under the water. How the person who can driving under the water?
Driver.
That is scuba driver. Okay, sit down, driver. How can he drives for more time? How can he lives in the water much time?
With help of gas cylinder.
Which gas cylinder?
Oxygen.
Yes. With the help of oxygen gas cylinder, they can spend more time in the water. Okay. Tell me what you see when you are under the water. Only animals and
Coral leaves.
coral reefs and coral leaves, fishes and treasure hunt. Treasure, can you see? Yes. Okay. Let's imagine you are under the water. Let's see what can you see when you are under the water. This is, what is this?
Submarine.
Submarine.
Underwater mission. We are going on a journey under the sea and will discover the underwater world. Fasten your seatbelts to get on this strange journey. Hold on to your seat.
Imagine you are in the submarine. Okay?
As we are taking the submarine down, as we leave the land behind and go under the water, you will notice a variety of colorful fish. These are the favorite spots for scuba divers. are searching for these colorful fish. Doesn't this look extremely beautiful? Look at the surroundings and the different water animals. Since these creatures stay below the water, we haven't seen most of them. An unknown world has remained hidden under the ocean for hundreds of years. Scuba divers often travel underwater in search of treasure. Oh look, there is a scuba diver here, looking at some gold objects made of gold. As we leave this area, we will enter the world of coral reefs. It takes over a year for
These are
Coral
coral reefs.
coral to grow up to 1 inch. This colorful reef is home to the world's most colorful marine creatures. Do you know what these marine creatures eat? The fish eat
Okay. The colorful coral, all the coral reefs are called marine features. Okay. This is the plant, underwater plant you can see. What is the part of who eats who? Like fish. What eat fish? Fish क्या खाती है? What fish eats?
seaweeds.
Seaweeds. Okay. The small fish eats seaweed and big fish eats small fish.
seaweed, plants, and small animals. On the other hand, whales eat these fish. This forms the food chain under the water. Wasn't this fun? In this unit, we will go on a similar underwater mission. We will use Scrap Junior to create an underwater scene, an underwater treasure hunt, and an underwater food chain.
What we see here in this CRN, what we see, underwater sea, underwater treasure hunt and
Underwater food chain.
Okay.
Now, let's quickly get out of the submarine and go back to our CCS classes and learn how we can bring this to life.
Okay, so are you understand what we can see underwater?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I am going to play CRN2. Observe this, okay? What do you observe in this video? Okay.
Many types of fishes are
Okay, Tata.
coral reef.
Coral reefs. Okay, well done. Do you know who scuba divers are and what they do? Searching for treasure. Okay. Okay, let us watch video about the scuba diver. Okay. What do you observe in this video?
Scuba divers.
Scuba diver are diving. Now open WS1 and complete the observation. Okay. Here's the introduction of the activity. Fill the observation by yourself. What you observe under the water? Fish, coral reef, scuba diver and hidden treasure.